Hi, Mike Pehl here. Today we're going to talk about debris in the road, vehicles in the road, if you have to switch lanes, if you have to maneuver quickly, and you need to always keep your eyes up high. Look 15 seconds ahead because specific things happen now. And the last thing you want to do is swerve, roll your car, kill yourself, kill somebody else because you didn't know what to do. And this is why I always say you need to always assume stuff is going to happen. For instance, right around this curve, there's going to be a utility vehicle coming up. It's going to be in our lane, and I need to decide quickly whether I'm going to stop. Obviously, I have a yellow line that I am not supposed to go over, but I have to go over it now. So I'm already seeing the utility vehicle up here. So now I need to look far up the road because I have no flag people telling me what to do. I need to look far up the road to see if a car is coming at me. So as you can see, I'm coming up to some vehicles in the road blocking my lane, and my gosh, what do we got? A mailman that's going to stop us from going through. Once again, I want you to picture if we were going very, very fast right now, but you got to adjust your speed to what's coming up. We're the ones that do not have the right of way here. We need to stop, and we need to make sure nobody's coming from the left. So this is where it could be busy, could not be busy, but you need to wait your turn and not be aggressive here because that's where people get hurt, get killed. You get tickets, you get your car taken away, you get your license taken away. So you can see it's a yellow line. A lot of people think you can't go over there. That was an emergency. We have to use their lane to get over there, to get over here, to keep going. Now see the car that's just turned out? All right, that's coming at me. They see me. They'll slow down enough for me to get back into my own lane. Obviously, you can see that there's garbage cans and it's garbage day, and we just turned a corner, and what do we see in the middle? Garbage and a pedestrian walking. So now I got to make a decision based on my speed. I have to stop for the pedestrian. I have a bag of garbage in the road. I have to see if a car is coming at us. And you know what? I can go either way. There's not a car coming. It's not going to hurt me to go a little bit over. I don't have a big curve. I'm just going to go around it like so, and it's done. But I couldn't have maneuvered that at 30 or 40 miles an hour. That is why you need to look far up, see what's coming up. Is it clear? Is it not clear? And then make decisions before you get there. You've always heard me say, always practice when there's nothing on the road. Always assume you come around a curve and there's going to be something there, because someday it will be there. I'm Mike Pehl, reminding you to always drive safe and ride safe.